We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for north central Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Frederick County in north central Maryland until 3 p.m. At 2:33, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ballenger Creek near Harry Grove Stadium, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Tornado and golf ball-sized hail. For those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris, dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely.